you guys want to go to a meeting with me? I got invited to a special meeting for Chris Kindle, crap, let me look it up. Chris Kindle Market. Chris Kindle Market is coming new to Branson, and they invited some people over to check it out. We're gonna have mulled wine. Is it mulled wine or mulled wine? Anyway, they're just gonna show us about their new business here, and I got invited, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna go see what it's all about, and I'll take you guys along with me. Here we go. Woo! It is hotter than a crack pipe on payday. Woo! Said it was right down from the Branson Event Center, so I'll just look for people that I know. Just a few doors down from the event center is what he said. Made in the USA. I'll drive around until I see someone. Here's Satira's car, so it has to be close. I'll just park beside her. It's got to be here somewhere. See a Christmas sign, so we must be in the right place.
Oh yes, I see people I know.
Here's what's cracking me up. He looks like he's happy to be here.
Look at him rubbing his eyes. So they're going to have a really cool Christmas market this year, and it's going to be set up like one of the European Christmas markets. And so lots of different vendors are going to come out. You're going to be able to have spaces where you can hang out. There's going to be
Like hot chocolate,
mulled wine,
okay,
beer, lots of fun stuff. It's a great place that families can just hang out. The ladies can do a little shopping. Men can hang out and have a little beverage. Kids
men can just do this right here.
Yeah, men can just sleep in the corner, and everybody's gonna have a fun time.
Okay, it's looking okay. This is gonna be exciting.
And it's all gonna happen outside in the parking lot around the clock tower. I don't know if you can see the clock tower from here, but everything is gonna be around that clock tower. It's gonna be a
just like in Back to the Future.
Yeah,
it's all happening around the clock tower.
And I had been in the shopping center before to go, to the movies. There's business owners, and it's just cinnamon sticks.
This is what you'll be serving?
This is what we'll be serving, mulled wine infused with cinnamon and nutmeg, thyme.
Plus hot chocolate.
Okay. Cider.
All right. So that was just a fun little meeting with some people from the community, the Christmas Coalition, Chamber, social media influencers. Basically just showing us what the plan is. So the lady's name is Jenny Caro, and this was her vision, and she has put everything into this project. And what it's going to be is a Chris Kindle Market. It's going to be a market right here in this parking lot, and there will be little wooden huts right around this clock tower, and it will be like a European type Christmas market. So pretty, upscale, be like a Christmas explosion, and a 26-foot tall Christmas tree here. Everything is going to be lit up. It's going to be awesome. The whole parking lot is going to be lit up like Christmas time. It's going to be pretty spectacular from what I hear. The plans are all drawn up. I think you guys are going to love this idea. This little Branson Meadows shopping center is really a cool place. So they're going to just bring this place back to life. And it will be opening on November the 27th. So there'll be live entertainment, hot chocolate, mulled wine, markets going on, just Christmas ornaments, European Christmas ornaments, all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's going to be fantastic from what I hear. I am looking forward to it. People there that were excited about it. I'm going to help promote it, and I'm going to help promote it mainly because I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of year. And Jenny Caro, the lady who's doing it, she's putting everything into this. She's taking her retirement and she is putting everything into this. And I totally understand when you put everything on the line. And I want to help her any way that I can. So let's get excited about this and everybody come and support her. I think this is going to be so wonderful on November 27th. So this is going to be great. And it's almost here. November is almost here, so it's exciting. This is going to be a great thing for Branson.